Here in the AI Studio, what I'm looking at is the speech recognition tab to test some of the dictation functionality enabled by the Transcribe endpoint. Here I have spoken punctuation, automatic punctuation, and commands enabled. I have 4 different commands configured, one to jump between sections, one to delete text if it was selected, another or not selected for that matter, with some undo and deleting the last, etc. There's other ways you can program it. A command to insert my template, and you'll notice that here I have a variable set where I can specify any of the template names that are listed here and have it recognized. So a nice way to have one command, multiple phrases that can be recognized, and multiple variables that you can put into those recognition phrases, giving you a lot of flexibility as you build this out. And then last, a navigation command. And again, with one phrase, go to, I can specify a lot of different navigation targets and have one command to navigate through all different parts of my application and templates and so forth. So the nice thing in the studio is it gives me some code samples based on that configuration. So it will have my preferences enabled for punctuation as well as all the commands built out as defined. Let's test out the speech recognition and see if those commands are recognized. And this is a nice way for me to test the commands before I go implement them. Make sure I have the right microphone set up and I'm dictating in English. All right, so it doesn't like my navigation target command. Insert brain MRI template. The brain is normal in signal intensity and morphology for the age period. There is no extraaxial fluid collection, period. There is no hydrocephalus or midline shift, period. New line. Posterior fossa, seventh and eighth nerve complex, and intraorbital contents are within normal limits, period, new line. The normal vascular warm flow volumes are maintained, period, new line. The paranasal sinuses are clear, period, new line. Diffusion images demonstrated no area of abnormally restricted diffusion that suggests acute infarction, period. Next field. Normal MRI, specifically no findings to explain the patient's headaches, period. Go to orders. All right, so very quick dictation of brain MRI script. We see the speech recognition showing up as I was dictating, and you'll also notice that my commands were being detected. We inserted a template, we used the next section, and we used the go to orders command. So now I can see my, at least those 3 commands are working as expected. I still have some testing to do to look at all the other combinations, and I'm going to continue testing my dictation to make sure it works in sequence and that they're recognized at the right cadence. Tune in for more.